Well, here's the 10th cottage pie since the first lockdown in 2020, last spring that is. And here we are, the completed cottage pie. There we are. Been in the oven for half an hour. Now this one has onions, broccoli, carrots, tomatoes, and probably about over 3 pounds in weight worth of potatoes mashed. Now, according to the BBC Good Food website, you can use red wine and garlic and a few other things. This is more the traditional cottage pie, and it has, on this occasion, tomatoes. So that's tomatoes, broccoli, carrots, and onions. And of course, a good dose of potato on top with the British minced beef below. The traditional cottage pie, ready to eat here.